Hi artists, welcome back to art class for this week. How many of you really wish that it would start to rain? I wish that it would start to rain, and so this week I decided that we would do a rainy day art project that shows rain and a pretty color wheel umbrella. So let me show you what it looks like. We're going to be making a person standing under a color wheel umbrella on top of a color wheel puddle with rain falling. So you can choose how you want to do this project based on the materials that you have at your house. Let's get started. All right, for our rainy day drawing today, we are going to start by drawing our umbrella. And if you are planning on using watercolors for coloring in your drawing, you're going to need to use a permanent marker. If you don't have a permanent marker or you're not using watercolors, you can just use a regular marker and color it in afterwards. So let's get started. We're going to put a dot right around in the middle of the paper, and then we're going to make our umbrella. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to make a curve out from one side and a curve out from the other side so that we have a giant upside down U, or half a circle. Then we want to separate our umbrella into different sections so that we can make a color wheel. So we're going to make a line that goes straight down in the middle, and then we're going to make two lines on each side, but these are going to curve just like our umbrella. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to curve and do another. Now we have enough sections for all of our color wheel. Now to make it look like an umbrella, we're going to add curves at the bottom also from one line to the next. And now we need to make our person standing under the umbrella. The good thing is most of our person is covered. So we're going to draw the person's raincoat, which is going to be two diagonal lines and a straight line. That's the bottom of their raincoat. And then we're going to draw their boots. So I'm going to draw two lines like that, and then one line that goes closer. So three lines. Then we're going to make a boot shape. And then this one is behind the other one, so we just need to make it go behind. Then I want to make a puddle at the bottom, and so for my puddle, you can start at your boot and just do any type of wavy line around the bottom. And then you've got your puddle. That's the hardest part. So you can put away your marker, and now we are going to get started adding the color. For my umbrella, I am going to use watercolors, but you can also use markers or crayons. Our first section of the umbrella is going to be the first color on the color wheel, which is red. Then we're going to go on and we're going to color each of them as the color wheel is: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay, what color should we make this person's raincoat? I think maybe yellow is a good raincoat color. His boots should be a different color. I think I'll use red for his boots. You can make your puddle be brown and muddy, or you could do like I'm doing. I'm going to make my puddle look like it was kind of a reflection of the umbrella. So I'm going to put a little bit of each color in my puddle. All right, that looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. Now you have two choices for your rain. You can use markers, or you can use watercolor, or you can use a special trick that involves both. I'm going to show you that special trick first. So what you're going to do if you're using marker is you're going to start at the top of your page and you're going to make your rain fall down. And so you can just make a line that goes until it hits your umbrella. When you get to the edge of the umbrella, they need to fall down to the ground. Let me show you the trick. If you're using marker, you can get water and you can go on top of your marker and it will bleed a little bit to make it look a little bit more like paint. If you want to do it with paint, I'll show you how that would look. You just take your blue and make a line down till it hits your umbrella. You don't want to have any rain under your umbrella because that's where we're staying safe from the rain. So, I hope that you had fun. I would love to see your rain picture, and remember that you can do your boots and your puddle and your rain jacket any way you like, but I would like to see that you know how to do the color wheel in the umbrella. Good work!